Bibia betimi ese na no pay.
Na Kwadwo ubisa question ba kubi. Atefo Kwadwo maybe just 2 minutes.
Ko.
Na me lay foundation for that question na ubisa. Kwadwo bisa afiase wakọ mining site da. And Ghana ni bia utie ni a wo hwe TV, wo hwe Facebook page. Episode the next 2 minutes. Wo de nya daje pa sa wo drive kwa wo de fa wo phone na nya understanding. Ghana ha kasa bebreba nsentro Kwadwo captain Kofi Asante team kasa nyina ne say we've been shortchanged for too long. We've been shortchanged for too long. Yeah? Kwadwo, there was 16 large scale mining companies. My Ghana muha. 16 accredited official ones are large scale. Now, and Oko Minerals Commission, omo website, Ghana, the whole West Africa, my Ghana and a tick gold eso. In fact, akuma FM ayegina ha sisi ya Kwadwo, ye tutu ha eko fomwa ye benya gold ewa ha. Everywhere in Ghana, the geological services and archaeologists, the cultural say everywhere in Ghana, Ghana is sitting on gold deposits. Now, utresi from West Africa, efa the sub-Saharan Africa, ebe tresi a ye gold bar, what's the gold? Ye ne bar, and namfom, and as we speak, gold biya kwa Kwadwo lie. Enti ne nkrabata no ene so gold so na esoa na split nti de ye hu no mining site ni nya na the splitting of gold ne ba na eda fom no ena manfo etitidi enti ubetimi etu akodu ba bi no wa hit the bar no so enti we hit so a ene events what ahum, and that is the deposit. Ghana line ni demua fa Asante region, western region, ekopie northern region, ekwa kokopie South Africa. That is the history. I want the amayen. But over Ghana, the whole West Africa, we South Africa free Ghana, any among countries are you to gold. Na yenya gold, I can see pa. Yenya yeni mo Obuasi. But Obuasi is not the only place. I to go. From western region, Eko Kosi, the northern part of the country, Ninano, gold ahodo. Now director bit my boyenia. Director be boyenia. Who call the Minerals Commission page? Where official list. I'm a person be the mount. All my 16 companies are to gold. Ewa Ghana ha. Anglo Gold Asante to gold. Ewa Obuasi. The same Anglo Gold Asante to be ewa eye takwa. Now gold fields ewa takwa. Abuasu gold ewa diamond. Gold Star ewa Pristia. Therefore on Facebook page, TV and emotion is here no. Now watch this. Gold Star ewa Omo Reserve Wasa Western Region Asankregwa Bogoso area Newmont Ghana ewa Kenya ase. Newmont Ghana na nso ewa Achem and Chira no gold mines. When we are the official large scale and yet say now therefore these are 16 official gold mining companies that are registered, accredited, official large-scale mining companies. Anglo Gold Asante, Ewo Obuasi. Now, Oko Obuasi Omo Oko Idua Prim, Ewo Takwa. Anglo Gold Asante San Woho. Gold Fields, Ewo Takwa. Abuaso Gold Fields, Enso Wadaman. Gold Star, Ewo Pristia, Bogoso. Gold Star na bi ewa Wasa. Newmont Gold ewa Kenya ase. Newmont Gold na bi wa Achem. Chira Gold ewa Chira Adamus Resources Limited ewa Teleku Bukazo ewa Nzema. Oko eye Persis Mining Company ewa Ayamfre. Kwadwo ni Ayamfre.
Ewa takrade Western Region side.
Mo Extra Gold ewo Kwabin wa Sankregwa area ho. Kibi Goldfields ewo Osino Eastern Region. Ghana Bauxite Company ewo Awaso Ghana Manganese Company ɛwɔ Nsuta. These two downs yi nyina no yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔmo nhyɛ da nyɛ pitikiti bi asa. Kwadwo
Kofi.
these gold companies are a two gold nyina wɔ Ghana. You pay the locations, the areas. Ufa is predominantly Asante region and Western region. And a kakrebi Eastern region. Now, me pesa obia utie me more Western region, more Eastern region. Any of these areas, you share the development of these areas. These are the areas how far Western region are. The food basket of the country, of my Ghana. Asante region is the trading hub. To say the nano who can say in the wisdom of Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Tema, any the industrial hub of the country. Asante region is the business hub of this country. Western region is the food basket of this country. Now, gold companies are what these areas in now. Some of them have been operating for 30 years, a minimum for 40 years, a minimum for 10 years. The minimum is about 10 years. A minimum as old as 50 years. They started with this country. The question I pay a person a bit say, let's pick Obuasi, Anglo Asante. Since Omanpanida da Jerry John Rollins time, and he has stated to gold. Now, offer Obuasi township ni nyina. Uko Obuasi a yedidi Obuasi krona si nyina ma Obuasi township esensen ho. Areas like Sanso has been polluted to the extent say nsuo a ye nom no. Uko residents ho a omo we de ani enyina say aye rashes. And Obuasi Sanso residents will tell you say edubere bia nsuo a omo nom no, they don't drink nsuo free from. There's a general announcement saying nsuo a wo from no mo bia nom because cyanide nnuro ni ade woman nyina no ase no. And we are not looking at galamsey. And we are the illegal ones. But these are the official ones. Two Ghana have. Every year, one of these companies, each one of these companies, gold two every my Ghana have billions and billions of cedis. None of them and the kakroma you tuning near the core. The question is benefit bang and on my Ghana any free 16 of these companies. Ghana percentage who can in Abomwa kojo enu 30%. Okay, all the 16 companies bomwa enu 30%. Anglo Asante any bibiani go face. Kojo yam kwala na nyame ado yetra Western region kakra. Bibiani predominantly Western region and Sefi area into farming and womoye. Minyama Obuasi, I'll come to Obuasi. Now yenhwe bibiani. Last week, you say military, Ghana military, any residents wo bibiani. Director bet me a raw video no edi amayenia. Edi trio ni residents aquatet in tetie and tetie keke eswomuti. They just want in tetie na gold na to mining company to awie no. On person omo fa na omo horo keke na omo didim. Ye the military armed with the trio ni aseka kwagina wo so obi obefa no ye bebo the trio. Emma the bibiani residents, and this is it. They will share Facebook page and TV. This is the video. Now watch our own military and residents will be bibiani zongo. What they do and it's a omoba. Ye ba area near to ya to make a say ye relocate mu. Every baby amote because gold ewa masas and so gold ewa mufi ho enti ye ba bedi. Residents and say ye ni gold now more to away and muntete keke no ye kwa akohoro. And this is what you are watching. This is the chaotic move. A trio, any second and a residents, any police, akabo mu military, and any residents because omakwa kwatete ntete. Awo mode epeso omukokoro keke edi. Now, uko these areas nyina omudan omutim yetimi blaste gold no asase na se na sheki na asase nyina papai. Nti edan ya wo ho, efi ya wo ho, communities bi bia wo ho bia no obunya adwuma because akoye mining site. Apart from ensu a wo mo no a aye polluted. apart from a dan a ɔmo ti mu a yɛhyɛki aseɛ na the foundation bi anya adwuma no for the last 40 years Ghana did over 60 years after independence but obia nkɔ bibiani obia nkɔ obuase obia nkɔ kyerɛ no obia nkɔ western region Pristia Bogoso na obisa question say what single development has any of these companies at these areas? Na ko South Africa, Kokopie areas ahodoa sa companies yi omufruma efri de ba Ghana na ombabedi die. Now I am coming to wire residents at wire do omayan kwa na nipa ete wo no enya mfaso obi emfiri so. Kojo from Rollins time na history tress oh conspiracy because Rollins plane na odi akọ oboase say ye no kra nyokra was a conspiracy theory no akọfa gold na odi akọ yenya Ghana empanimfo a ebe defend ye binim so eye no kra ebinim so oh enya no kra take it or leave it. The question ne say oboase kojo not a single abrosan esi hɔ a yebetimi aka say we dear from head to toe your developers here the boa community. I'm using abrosan e dan ya wo ni dan ya efe nyina ya mining companies edia and they built it for themselves and e bia o ma yusu awie ne agya no ho edia ma communities no edu baabi wo boase military any residents etimi de boy ani all because omo person omunya just ntete anwe ni bi ekoko hohoro edi areas are you to gold ewo Ghana nyina western region and the whole western region kojo ofa bibiani eko bekwai Manswa Memfi Asankragwa Pristia Bogoso not a single road. Samna boy Asankragwa road since Rollins time and you capture no budget team kojo sa kwan da so a e wo hɔ ayenye mo a mo hwɛ TV a mo free western region area ho nyina will tell you say even Takwa township from womu UDS womu Takwa mining company no anim ho nyina investing for development studies any mining anim ho nyina no kojo yengu suko tal. The question and the pay bisa ne say so till when and residents ebetina ho am I politicians kojo uba the mining arts ewo my Ghana mu ha yamiadom we did mineral resources kakra at the first degree LLB the ebeka chiro ne say there were about 3 agreement I sign ewo mine there were joint agreement and there were full concession and there were partnership. Oh my Ghana, young joint agreement I saying na ne say yan yenim fidi a yedi 2 gold and the companies ne ba be 2 na omu 2 wia ne ye no ma che na omu tua royalties e de ama and to fa gold a yetu no Ghana ha nyina oboase Anglo Gold Asante as you speak Ghana any 0% krawom omu 2 wia omu fanko. Why? Because you think say mine ni kuragui and ya resuscitating no. The only thing we benefit is the corporate social responsibility are the mining companies etimi demand the community and okra no etoda enya mandatory omo pa and omo ye. Now Ghana ni awutie ma no pay wo hwe video a wo hwe ya areas are you to mining ewo o my Ghana mu nyina nipa ete ho no ehia wo mo che wo hia scholarship a wo mo ma etwa so wo mo nya na ya di co school na wo mo sua de na wo mo so bitime be nipa titre da bi no our own government officials esanya ya tam agudie na ewo mu no na ya de ache wo mo because obi say we are oje ne percentage we are the rest we don't care. Prisia oboase chira no nipa ewu amnem nipa eteto nipa ekoba nyina no one question pe ena no pay ye pese ebisa wo say what benefit kojo have we benefited from any of these gold mining companies.
87.9.